In this video, we're going to talk about mobilizing our rib cage, specifically ribs 2 down to the 12th rib. And your rib inserts with your vertebrae, and that's all in your thoracic spine. So if that is tight or stiff, it's going to limit some of your overhead motion, some of your athletic potential. So what we'll take a look at here is how to mobilize this rib cage. So we're going to take a lacrosse ball, and we're going to start up on our second rib, and we're going to place that ball just off to the side of our vertebrae. Once we've found that position, we'll elevate our hips to drive weight and pressure into the ball, and then we're going to elevate our arm, keeping our hand in the same position. So at the top, my palm is facing the ceiling, and then I'm going to bring it across to my opposite hip. And in this position, you can floss back and forth just a little bit. Return the hand overhead, back to the side. About 10 to 20 reps here is really an ideal count. And after you've hit that 10 to 20 reps, you can simply move the ball down one rib and repeat. Now, some ribs and some positioning will be more tender than others. That's a good indication that maybe you should spend a little bit more time on that specific region.